English Interruptions, a cultural perspective. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating aspect of language learning: cultural differences in interruptions. We often overlook this aspect, but it plays a significant role in effective and respectful communication. So, let's get started and learn how to make polite interruptions across various cultures. When we talk about interruptions, it's important to remember that what might seem like an interruption in one culture might not be viewed the same way in another. An interruption isn't always rude. In some contexts, it can show engagement and interest in the conversation. The key is understanding the cultural norms and nuances behind these interactions. In Western cultures, such as those in the United States and the United Kingdom, interruptions can often be viewed as impolite or intrusive. In these societies, it's common to wait for a pause or the end of the speaker's thought before interjecting. When you need to interrupt, phrases like, "Excuse me, sorry to interrupt," or, "May I add something?" are commonly used to respectfully redirect the conversation. Contrarily, in many Eastern cultures, such as those in Japan and China, constant feedback like nodding and occasional interjections of understanding or agreement like, "Yes, I see," or "Right," during the speaker's dialogue are common. This is seen as a sign of attentiveness and engagement rather than an interruption. However, directly changing the subject or cutting someone off mid-sentence is generally viewed as impolite, much like in Western cultures. In these situations, phrases like, "Excuse me for changing the subject, but," can be helpful. In Latin cultures, like those in Spain or Latin America, conversations are often more fluid. Frequent interjections and overlapping speech are common and seen as signs of involvement and enthusiasm in the conversation. Yet, much like in other cultures, abrupt changes of subject without a polite segue can still be considered disrespectful. Using polite phrases like, "Pardon me, I just remembered that," can help in changing the subject smoothly. Understanding cultural norms around interruptions is crucial in mastering conversational English. Every culture has its unique characteristics, and being aware of these differences can greatly enhance your communication skills and help you navigate conversations more effectively. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in your journey to become a proficient English speaker. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.